not too bad.
There's actually a lot more snow up here than I thought there was gonna be, so this is good. It's currently snowing pretty hard actually too. Down low, not snowing at all. It's actually sunny down in the valley, but we'll take this. We need snow. So groomer is actually almost to the cabin. Well, he might show up while we're here. Yeah, so welcome to the video, everybody. If you're new, welcome. And riding Hunter's Range today, just at the cabin here. And I guess, yeah, we'll have to do a snow depth check at some point today, and I think we'll be doing some tree riding, but yeah, snow is not bad at all, so.
Well, that didn't go to plan.
No. There we go. Okay, so you got 105 centimeters right there.
What?
Yeah, that's less than I thought actually. Let's check over here. Okay, so there's 100 and what would that be? About 126 over here. Yeah, let's go over this way this time. $129. That is not too bad. I don't know how much fluff is on top. It's about that much. I don't know how much that much is. Looks like about 14 inches. Yeah, something like that. Not too bad. Finally getting some snow. Definitely more than I thought was going to be up here today. So this is good. We cannot complain. That hole over there was a lot deeper than I thought. That kind of hurt. Not bad.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. So, like I said in the snow depth check there, there's probably 14 inches of fluff on top of a really hard base. So if you get through the fluff, your track can get away on you a little bit. It kind of washes right out, but a little bit unpredictable under the snow. There's definitely a hard layer there, but still a lot of fun. So not bad. Definitely get tired quick. Alright, so made it back to the truck here. We're parked at about 5 kilometer. The snow is pretty much the same all the way up to about 10 kilometer. So there's a little bit of rock bouncing off the skis on the way down, but there's some snow at least. But unfortunately I broke a scratcher on the way down, so that kind of sucks, but oh well. So yeah, I dare to say sled season is in full swing at this point. It is officially started. Hunter's Range has they did their first groom today, as you saw, I guess, the groomer there. So starting tomorrow, which is Friday the 10th, I believe. Yeah, they're going to be collecting trail passes and stuff at the bottom, so be sure to get your club memberships and all that jazz. Yeah, so hoping to get out this Saturday as well. Today is Thursday, so hopefully there'll be a video for Sunday as well, but I guess that's more or less it, I think. If you enjoyed the video, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. Hopefully we'll get out for a little bit longer ride one of these days. I can get some more footage, but until then, today was awesome. So just calling it a bit early, so that's all good. So, okay, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.